Hi guys, kind of a long day. Visited Aunt Jo, took her and John some food, but I had stopped at Shop and Save first. And I was looking, I'm making pizza tonight. I was looking for that cup and char pepperoni, and they didn't have any, but a nice fella came over. He's one of the new owners. His name is Brad. Very nice fella. And because I was staring, I guess, where's the pepperoni? And he said, there's more over here. They have a lot of choices. And I chose this one. It's a little bit thicker cut. It's Delalo, which you'll know if you're from Pittsburgh. This is a family brand here. Very popular, has lots of different products like pickled jalapeno peppers and banana peppers and stuff like that. So I tried this. It's a little bit thicker. It says perfect for charcuterie boards, which it would be. But, excuse me, even though it's not the cup and char, in talking with Brad, the new owner, that's good. It's really good. This is a good choice instead of just the Hormel. Sorry, Hormel's okay. But this is very tasty and will flavor whatever it is in, especially like on your pizza. But even though they don't have the cup and char, he took a mental note and he goes, okay, I'll look into it, which is great. So when they get it, and I can find it, I'm gonna be telling y'all, okay? So in the meantime, I have my tomatoes going. Let me point down. They're just tomatoes that weren't so great. Whoopsie, steam them in your face. And I'll just cook them down with a little water and olive oil. When the water evaporates and they're nice and soft, I'll smush them up and the water will be gone, and then I'll add my fresh garlic and go from there. But this is so dumb. The hurrier I go, the behinder I get. I forgot a bag. I unloaded my groceries and I'm like, I have all this different lunch meat, right? I'm looking for my tomatoes and my sausage rolls. They have good bread over there. I don't have them. I checked my car twice. Did I leave them at Aunt Jo's? No, I didn't. I looked and looked, and then I finally called them and I said, hi, I was there at 12:30 and a nice kid, Ryan, waited on me. And she immediately knew. I said, I think I forgot a bag. Were there tomatoes and bread? I'm like, yes. So I have to call Thane. Say, babe, on the way home, did you ever do that? Did you ever forget a bag? I put them in the top of my cart because it was bread and tomatoes. I wanted to be. So no sandwiches for Aunt Jo and them, huh? So I don't have them, but I'm going to ask Thane to stop over there and pick them up. They have my name on them. Okay, bye. Shop and Save is the bomb now with the new owners. Try it. The one right on Route 8. Okay, see ya.